My name's Allie, and you're watching Cat Science Club. For today's science experiment, we will be making carbon dioxide from items that you can find around your house. Now, what will those items be, you ask? Well, all you will need is baking soda, vinegar, a cup, and well, I'm using a pie tin, but you can use a cookie tray as well. Now, how do I know we are making carbon dioxide? Well, I'm going to prove it to you. And if you would like to do the same at home, all you will need is a small little candle like this and a lighter with adult supervision, of course. First, take your cup and your pie tin or cookie tray. Now, add your vinegar until the bubbles overflow. Wait until all of the bubbles go down, and well, you'll see you actually don't just have liquid in there, you actually have carbon dioxide as well. Now, how do I know it's carbon dioxide? Well, I'm going to prove it to you. Now, why does the carbon dioxide distinguish the flame? Well, flames need oxygen to, well, continue to burn. The carbon dioxide deprives the flame of any oxygen so that no oxygen can reach the flame, and therefore it goes out. I hope you enjoyed the science experiment, and come back next time for some more amazing science activities right here at Cat Science Club.
Thank you for watching a Cat Science Club science activity video. Cat Science Club is an organization based out of the Toledo, Ohio area. Our goal is to bring activities, science camps, and science videos such as these to children in our area. We were founded by and we partner with educators in order to bring science to elementary students in fun and exciting ways. Our goal is that all students will remain engaged in science throughout their years in school. Like and subscribe and follow us on social media to help us with our mission. You will also be updated every time we post about our fun science activities. If you're interested in learning more about Cat Science Club, check us out online at catscienceclub.com. Thank you again for watching and enjoy your science activities.